Good afternoon, class. Today we discuss the methods of reducing and increasing friction. Now we first discuss about methods of reducing friction. How to reduce friction? The first method is providing wheels and ball bearing. The ball bearing consist of a small steel ball. When these steel balls are placed between two cylindrical moving surfaces, they reduce friction. They reduce friction. Ball bearings are commonly used in bicycle, scooters, cars, trucks, electric motors, etc. Second method is oiling and lubricating. By oiling or greasing the moving parts of machinery, the friction can be reduced. If the moving parts are light in weight, then light oil is used as lubricant. However, if the moving parts are heavy, then heavy oil or grease is used. Next is polishing. Polishing a rough surface, smoothen irregularities on it. The smooth surface in turn offer very less friction. For example, carom board are highly polished so as to reduce friction. Carom board are highly polished to reduce friction. Now, next is streaming. What do you understand by streaming? When an object is shaped in such a way that it experiences minimum friction in air or water, the shape of object is said to be streamlined. Like aeroplane, ships, boats, rockets, car, etc. have a streamlined shape to copy the animals. This shape experience least friction in air and water, hence help in reducing friction. This in turn help them to move faster without any increase in the fuel consumption. If you carefully if you carefully look at a fish or a bird in flight, you will notice that their bodies are narrow in front, then gradually broad until they again become narrow at the tail. Now we discuss about method of increasing friction. The first method to increase friction is a tire of all kinds of vehicle. The tires of all kinds of vehicle are providing with deep groove so as to increase friction. This prevent the vehicle from skidding on wet road and sharp turns. Next is the sole of shoes. The sole of shoes of athletes and mountaineers are provided with spike and groove. With spike and groove. These spikes increase friction and prevent slipping. Next one is a rough surface. Rough surface is used to increase friction. Rough surface is used to increase friction. Rough surface offer a greater degree of friction. More the rough surface, greater is the friction. A smooth surface such as glass offer less friction. A smooth surface offer less friction. The force of friction is very large when both the surfaces contact are rough. If both the surface is rough, friction is less when one surface is smooth and other is rough, and is the least. Friction is least when both the surface are smooth. When both the surface are smooth, friction is least in that case. Thank you, class.